Welcome to another Adventures with the Cohns, and on this adventure, we're heading to DeSoto Falls in Fort Payne, Alabama.
Yeah! It's actually the girls' first time in the state of Alabama. So, how do you guys feel?
I feel weird.
You feel weird?
Because I've never been in the state.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to go to DeSoto Falls, and it says it is a beautiful 92-foot waterfall plunging into a canyon. So we're going to go check it out and check out this waterfall.
So come along with us and see what DeSoto Falls is all about. So one of the things that's nice about this place is you have this big swimming area. Now, there's a sign that says no lifeguard on duty, but you've got people that can kayak, get in, I guess you can fish and do all these swim even. But you do definitely swim at your own risk because as you could see on the edge there, that's where the water leads to the waterfall. So you don't want to go down that area and be part of the waterfall, but there's this nice little swimming area that you can swim at your own risk.
Okay, so it looks like there are 3 different trails to get to DeSoto Falls. There's an overlook trail, which I think we're gonna go to first. It looks like it's down the sidewalk. And that goes to, I guess, the top, I think. And then there's 2 other trails. One looks like it's pretty strenuous, so with the kids, I don't know if we're gonna do that. It goes around the bottom of it. And then there's a bluff trail. So they don't look too long, so I guess we'll do the overlook and see if we can do some other ones. You guys ready? Yeah. All right.
Oh, I see stairs.
Oh, that was easy.
Let the river run.
Is this already it?
We might be already at the waterfall. Do you hear it? Can you feel it?
Now I know at different times of the year, of course, it affects how much water is coming down. We're here.
This is the waterfall.
That was easy.
This is amazing. Let us know in the comment section below what you think of the waterfall. Technically, that's not the waterfall.
Yeah, it is. This is the waterfall. But I think we could go down one of the other trails and go down to the bottom of it. It is. It's pretty. Here, I'm gonna get out of your way.
So that is the side view of the waterfall. But our goal is to get down below to actually get the waterfall. I think the goal is to find where to go to get to the bottom. Even though we looked at the map.
Yeah, I guess we gotta figure it out. All right.
That's why we're adventuring.
Figure it out.
My break is done.
So they decided to come down to the bottom of the water.
Really the top of the water, right? The waterfall.
So apparently, yeah, we're in the middle of the waterfall.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice. You could like pack a picnic lunch and just sit on a rock and let the kids. It's slippery, but they started doing it. I'm like, I gotta take off my shoes. And I gotta do it too.
Wait, so you're saying it's slippery when
It's a
wet?
little slippery. I did almost fall. But it's
She's
nice.
saying it's slippery when wet.
A little bit.
But nature's playground, right? So you don't want
See, slippery when wet.
That's what I did about 5 minutes ago. Oh no.
Wait, did you go to the bathroom?
Which water?
Oh, that's wow. So we are at the other part of DeSoto Falls, and we're gonna try to get to the bottom of it. We had no idea because the maps, we couldn't figure out where the other trail was. So we ran into some Alabama natives up at the DeSoto Falls overlook, and they said we had to drive to the next parking lot, which is this area, and then we can come down this trail and it should get us down to the bottom. So we're gonna try it.
Now, if I'm not mistaken, there's like 2 trails here. That was the...
Yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna go down this one, I guess. And
I think this one leads into the not so hard one, but we have to...
here, maybe this is. It says. Well, we already did overlook, so we'll go this one. Bottom of DeSoto Falls. Here we
There
go.
we go.
If we didn't run into those people, we probably would have left.
Yeah, and we would have never seen the full of the waterfall. Now, be careful.
Look, this way, Daddy. This says pink marking.
Oh, follow the pink. Good eye.
Well, this is a first. We've never had a pink trail marker.
And it's my favorite color, too.
You got it here. You got it.
Definitely when you come down the trail, be careful of these rocks. Now this is for safety tips because there's a lot of rocks and you might slip, so definitely watch, not for falling rocks, but watch for the rocks.
Yeah.
Don't get too far ahead.
So there's 2 spots that people might go. Either you're gonna go left or right.
Oh,
We
there's the
figured
pink.
we have to go the left side because of the pink dot. Always remember the pink dot. If you see the red dot, you're going the wrong way.
Riley.
This is cool. You
My
wanna get a
kids are
picture? Okay,
adventuring.
I gotta get a picture, right?
and they are
Okay,
adventuring.
Stay there.
I want to get up there.
Well,
It might be a little hard.
Here, you think you can get up?
So we came to the, technically I guess you could say, the fork in the road where we can veer off to one of the trails, and we're on the bluff trail, which is going to take us to the bottom of the waterfall, which is the more easier run than going the other one because it's going to be a little bit more harder, and we figured with the kids this was going to be easier. So
We think.
yeah, we think.
We have no idea.
I mean, obviously we've never gone this way, so
Try both of them and let us know which one's easier.
yeah, let us know in the comment section below if you decide to do this. But we're taking you on our way. And as they say, it's our way or the highway.
This is pink and white.
Okay, hold on. Sweet pea. You gotta wait.
This is pink and white.
Pink turns to white at some point.
You gotta
And
wait.
then it turns to red.
Uh-oh, we don't go down the red trail. But definitely, this is kind of like a trail that we would do.
But I do think they painted like the pink and the white on the tree.
Yeah, why do you think they did that?
So they know where to go.
Yep.
I will say this, there's no trails in Florida like this.
What do you see?
I see a cave. It looks like a house.
Oh, this is cool.
Little cave.
Neat. Wow, I'm so glad we ran into those people. We would have missed all of this. I bet a
Yeah.
lot of people miss this because they think that's it over there. Wow.
Oh, very nice.
Look at me. Do we need to get another picture?
No.
Okay.
I want to keep going. This cave kind of looks like Cherokee Falls.
It's similar,
Similar.
just no steps.
If you haven't seen our Cherokee video, I'll put a link in the description and I'll put it in the top corner so that you can go see it. All right, so we came to the sign where not Grotto Falls, I'm mixing up trails, Bluff Trail connects with, I think it was the River Trail, but I forgot which one it is. But so the Pink Trail is actually the harder trail to go down, but we have to start on the Pink Trail to get to the Bluff Trail, which will take us down to the bottom of the falls. So I will say this. It's definitely a little hard, but I believe you can do it. We're definitely able to get to it. But like I've been saying, there's just a lot of rocks to get through it. But now we're heading to the bottom to see the waterfall.
A few moments later.
We set out with high hopes and plenty of enthusiasm to find the bottom of DeSoto Falls. With info from other hikers from the area, we thought we had it in the bag until the trail markers started playing tricks on us. After several detours and a lot of laughs or cries, we have to admit defeat. This time, the bottom of DeSoto Falls remains hidden from Adventures with the Cohns. But we had a blast searching for it. Sometimes the best part of an adventure is not the destination, but the memories made along the way. Well, there you have it, DeSoto Falls in Fort Payne, Alabama. What a great time getting to see the waterfall and the girls getting to play in the water. What more can you ask for? If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. But while you're at it, hit the notification bell so when we upload a new video, you get notified. Thanks again for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.